Hello guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So my friends, brand new update here on SMCI, Super Micro Computer Trading on the Nasdaq. $42 guys we had here, plus almost 8% on Friday. And I want to explain you what this kind of chart pattern means and why I'm super bullish on SMCI. But guys, we are not yet squeezing. That is maybe already the bottom here at $17. But I show you now here all the price goes to the up and the downside and what needs to happen to see here finally the breakout for SMCI, which will brings us new all-time highs. This is not financial advice, guys. This is my opinion based on the chart. I'm not here to hype you up. I'm here to educate you. That's why I will just share my honest opinion here with you based on the technicals. So, yo guys, if you haven't seen my previous videos, let's start here first with some indicators that we understand what is going on here in the chart. SMCI is of course by no doubt in a super strong uptrend. When we zoom out here, you can see the price was $1.58. Yeah, let's just say when we zoom back here to 2023, the price was $7, and in the meanwhile we squeezed here to $122. We're still trading here in the $42 range, but as I mentioned before, the shakeout which we had here was in the $17 range, which I also expected. Yeah, I mentioned that here. I made a lot of videos here during that shakeout where I said, guys, prepare for a short squeeze here for SMCI. And when I released these videos here, you can see that SMCI already squeezed by 287%. This is one of my missions here, guys, to predict short squeezes. I love that. I love to trade short squeeze stocks, and I share my knowledge here with you and of course, with my members. I have here right now a brand new video available, guys, my so-called hot stocks. Yeah, I uploaded this video yesterday, and this video here contains my next short squeeze stocks for the upcoming days and weeks where I expect here some short squeezes to happen. There's of course no guarantee, but we had here a couple of squeezes in the past days. This squeeze here was last week. In total, we had a 170% squeeze. During that screenshot here, we just squeezed 120% in one day, of course. Here, this is a daily candle in the 4 hours chart. And I also said here to my members that the algo demand zone where I expect the squeeze to happen is between 25 and 18 cents. And you can see that we hit here on the dot 25 cents before this ticker started to squeeze, guys. The week before, we had this squeeze here. 136%. Same here, guys. I posted this on Patreon. I said that this is here the price level where I expect the price to find support, and one day after I posted this on Patreon, we had a squeeze of 136%. As I said, guys, there is no guarantee. Trading is not easy, but I give my best here to predict short squeezes. If you want to see here my brand new short squeeze stocks, my hot stocks, guys, then you can join our full package membership here on Patreon. The link is patreon.com/blackbelttrader. You also get access here to my tutorial videos, member FAQ section and stuff like that. Very good for beginners, but also for advanced traders. Yeah, so everybody is welcome here. The link is of course also available here in the video description. So guys, let's talk about SMCI. We have here this open gap at $86. This is the final and last open gap which we have in the daily chart here. And that means, guys, that we have here a chance of about 90% that SMCI will close this open gap sooner or later. The question is, the market is now in a correction mode, let's call it like that. March is a bearish month, and it is possible that this week a bear market can start, guys. It is possible. I made a video about the S&P 500 concerning that. You can check that out as well. But as I said, this week has to be decided if the market finds one more time a support or if we see a sell-off incoming. Sorry for my voice, guys. I'm still struggling with a cold. So what would happen in a bear case scenario if we don't close this gap here right now, guys? Then we will start to close the open down gaps, which you see here marked by these orange lines, and that would mean, guys, we have here the potential to come back here down to $16 or even lower. To understand where we are trading right now, let's check here my drawings. Then it's much more easy for you to understand, because we have a very simple and flat chart pattern for SMCI. We have this macro uptrend channel here in which we are trading. So as I said, I am super bullish on SMCI. I am not scared when we dip. And here in this macro trend channel, we have this micro trend channel pattern, which is now accumulating the price. We had here the first squeeze attempt, yeah, also closed the golden pocket, which I had here in the chart before. I deleted that because it's already closed. But we had here a successful squeeze attempt because we trapped in this channel here, guys, since March 2024. So 1 year, SMCI hasn't been able here to break this trend channel pattern to the upside. And you can see that here for the first time here in February 2025, we had a successful breakout attempt. Yes, we are back in this trend channel, but the bullish support is marked with this white line here, is waiting in the $28 range right now. So if we don't see a bear market incoming, SMCI should find its support here, and then we have the chance to finally make a confirmed squeeze here and then even close this open gap at $86. But as I said, I personally expect that we even see new all-time highs for SMCI. This is not, as I said, to hype you up, not financial advice, but this is simply what the chart is telling us. In the bear market, guys, keep that in mind. If we lose the support here, if we go below, let's say $28, $26 here, that would be super, super bearish, guys. That would mean that maybe even $16 is not our support anymore. So keep that in mind in the bear market, or if the market turns bearish, you have to also work with a stop loss here, because otherwise you maybe have a position in the red over years or months. That depends when the market changes. But as I said, I will also inform you here on my channel when this happens. So what needs to happen when we want to see a short squeeze for SMCI? It's very simple. We have here one squeeze trigger price zone, which is $50.86. As soon as SMCI, squeeze over $50.86, this is for me the beginning here. When we come over this price level here with volume, this is the beginning of a short squeeze, and then I have no doubt that we start to break here the $66 range. That was here the price bottom here. You can see we have here some temporary resistance, but this is for me, guys, absolute clear that we start to close the open gap later, guys. So that means for now, in a, let's say in a normal trading world, we have here a squeeze ratio of 200%. If we see here one final dip back to this price range here, then we have a squeeze ratio of 200% just to close the open gap, not in total. If we start to build new all-time highs, then SMCI can squeeze here, of course, more than 300%. This is the range which I expect here. As I said, in the bear market, guys, we will come down here, and then we have to check the chart again. I will, of course, also let you know all the new price goals here for SMCI. For now, between $28 and $26 is the make it or break it price range. When we go below that, guys, that would be super, super bearish. Yeah, guys, that was my quick and dirty update here. If you want to copy the price levels here from my chart, I show you that here as well, the algo demand zone here. This is here everything based on TradingView, what you see here. This is the chart program, what I use here for all my videos and of course for all my personal trades. If you want to learn trading, guys, build up some knowledge, watch my videos. Like and subscribe, of course, and join our Patreon, guys, because you get a lot of access to a lot of different videos and tutorials there. And if you want to learn trading by yourself, by drawing charts, then I recommend you TradingView, guys. And I can offer you here a $15 discount link on the premium tier for TradingView. Also, this special discount link is available here in the video description. So my friends, that was the quick and dirty update. I thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for your time. I appreciate your support, and being that said, see you in the next video. Arigato gozaimasu, vielen Dank, alles Gute und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.